Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So Friday was pretty much a non-event as far as I'm concerned. Just zoom in and you'll see what I'm talking about. A pretty much flat day. We opened, we dropped a bit, we rallied a bit, and then we came back. I think the critical thing here is that we are below this moving average. Okay, not the end of the world. You can see we've done it before here. So trend is still up until we get a retest, and I want to see let's move that up there. I want to see a retest of this break here, which would mean a double top. Okay, so if we just look at the monthly, let me just delete all the noise. Monthly ended up very flat, going absolutely nowhere. Key thing to point out here is we didn't quite get above this monthly level here. I want to just put in the other monthly level, which is there. So those are the two areas we need to watch. So for me, the DAX is truly going nowhere. You might as well just move on down to the casino, because there's no commitment to the downside. There's no commitment to the upside. Okay, that's pretty much what doji means on the monthly. So in other words, those people that have got money invested are just waiting. They're not adding to it. They're not selling either. Okay, so yeah, I think what we need to do is be really patient on the DAX. That maybe we get something moving this month, but I think the S&P, the Nasdaq offer a little bit more buying opportunities at the moment than what this does. It doesn't really offer any short opportunities for me either. Not until we start breaking below these. Well, we're through this monthly level, but I'd like to see us get below 11,900 before we start worrying about shorts. So at the moment, it's been one-way traffic for Thursday, and then Friday was pretty much up and down. If I'm correct, I think futures is up at the moment. So let me just double check that. And a lot of this is, futures is up 0.3%, so 12,354. So the other thing that you have here is you've got a stronger euro as well, which is also impacting the German market negatively. Oh, let me just see where we are here. 12,355. Ever so slightly up from where we closed. So if you look at the hour, we are trending to the downside. I'm not really looking for any shorts on this, but I am looking for the opportunities to indicate that I need to buy. And a break above 12,517 and a retest to that area would be the first signal for me. But quite honestly, I think I'm going to stay out of the DAX. I really stayed out of the DAX the whole of last week, and more than likely going to stay out of the DAX again. I just want to see if there's another trend line here we need to pay attention to. There is one here. Which does coincide with that kind of channel. Yeah, tough nut to call. I think you can see the buyers are scaling in here in this area. So yeah, I would be inclined to believe. See, that's a wedge break. So I would be inclined to believe that we've pretty much got a bit of an up move coming. It may only be to retest a breakout. Okay, so let's say that is the channel. So it could be to come and test that area there, which is 12,976. And then I'll have a look at it again to see whether a short is warranted there. But you can see we get into this zone here, we come off, and we are technically creating a higher low. This one is a lower low over this, but these last couple here are still a higher low. Yeah, I think you can hear the confusion in my voice at the moment. So when that starts to happen, I stay far away. So for me, there's nothing on offer on the DAX until I can see some kind of a either a retest of this level again, but you can see we did retest it here, or alternatively a break and a retest here, which gets me long with a tight stop and then just move stop to entry as quick as possible. That's what I'm favoring as the long side, but it's not. It's not cast in stone. We do have a bit of a magnet at the top being the gap, and there's another one right at the top here. So, so yeah, I think for me, S&P 500 offers a bit more value than what the DAX does right now. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires in Europe this morning, but this doesn't fill me with confidence, long or short. So I will be staying out of it. Anyway, doesn't help you if you're going to want to trade the DAX today, but yeah, keeping your money in your pockets also a trade. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.